Hello everyone, and today I'm going to read to you What to Do with a Box by the author Jane Yolen and illustrated by Chris Shaban. A box. A box is a strange device. You can open it once. You can open it twice. You can climb inside and there read a book. It can be a library, palace, or a nook. You can lock the door with a magical key. Invite your dolls to come in for tea. You can paint a landscape with sun, sand, and sky. Or crayon an egret that's flying right by. Or paint a blue river and very green trees. You can borrow a fan just to make a small breeze. You can drive in that box all around in a dirt track. You can sail in that box off to Paris and back. A box is a wonder indeed, the only such magic that you'll ever need. So come for a visit right now, right this day. I've got a grand box just so we two can play. This end up. Nope. The end.